March with Sulky of America. I'm presenting a free webcast that's all about machine embroidery. I'll teach you how to better understand your embroidery machine, including its features and accessories. Then you'll learn about design anatomy and popular design types, so you can navigate projects with better understanding and ease. I'll also teach you about different thread types and weights, and how and when you can deviate from those featured in your chosen designs. Have you ever wondered, what stabilizer should I be using with this fabric? I'll give you the tips, tricks, and takeaways so you can make the right choice for your project at hand. Whether you're an absolute beginner and have never tried machine embroidery, or an accomplished embroidery enthusiast, you're sure to learn something new in this free webcast. Plus, when you register, you'll receive more than $50 in embroidery designs for you to take from practice to project. I'll be giving away a couple of really great door prizes during the event, and we will have live Q&As so you can get your questions answered in real time. Let's get stitching!